Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. This is Victoria Aillis, and if you love delicious, flavorful dishes, you in the right place, baby. Today we whipping up something cozy and packed with bold spices. We got Cajun potato soup. It's creamy, hearty, and a perfect balance of heat and comfort. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. First things first, we are going to prep our veggies. You see that celery there and our onion. For the onion, we're only going to use about half, and I used about 4 to 5 celeries. It's up to you if you like the taste, and if you don't, feel free to completely leave it out. After we're done with our veggies, we going into that kielbasa. We just slicing that up. Feel free to use the beef kielbasa if you like. And here we go to prep our potatoes. I did about 5 to 6 potatoes, peeled them, and then diced them into some cubes. You can make them as big or as small as you like. I like to have an actual potato in my spoon in every bite, so I made them a little bit bigger. Here we go with my little Ava helping me stir up that kielbasa. It's going into that hot pan, and we are just going to get that as crispy as can be. Some people like it crispier than this, but this is where I'm going to stop on my crispiness and transfer that to another bowl. Here we got some butter, about a teaspoon of butter going in the pan, along with our onion and celery mixture. Just giving that a good mix. And yes, we got the rotel. Rotel is going in. This is going to add that heat that I was talking about earlier. It's also going to give it that good tomato flavor. If you're not a fan of the tomato, I would maybe use half of the can, or you can also just not use it at all. Here come those potatoes back for their appearance. They're going in that pot, giving them a good stir, just trying to make sure all those flavors are incorporated. We got some Creole seasoning going in the pan. Again, some more good mixes, making sure that flavor is flavoring. And then we are adding some Italian seasoning. And if you feel like you want to add more seasonings at this point, this is where you can do it. You can add some paprika if you like. I didn't add any to mine. You can add some thyme, salt and pepper. Y'all remember to do you. This is your pot. In there was some minced garlic. Y'all already know I love my garlic, so a heaping tablespoon of that. There goes our broth along with the water, giving it a good stir, making sure all them flavors are again flavoring. Here comes that kielbasa going back in the pan along with all the juices that were also in the bowl, because we cannot do without the flavor. In goes a little bay leaf. And we are just at this point letting our potatoes cook down to where we like them. Look at that bubbly goodness. Just sitting there looking beautiful. Here comes some heavy whipping cream. I would say about 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. It is up to you if you want to go a little heavier. As you can see, it does have the color of the soup changing. I wish I could smell this through the screen. You can see how delicious it looks. All those flavors in there. And we are done, y'all. That is the most simple recipe I could ever give you. Topping it with some green onions and some cheese. And look at how it's looking. Beautiful, delicious, full of flavor. Everything you need to get your belly warm on a cold day. I hope y'all loved it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And until next time, bye.